I'm back. Took about a week off and now I need to play catch up. Quote of the week, quote of the week. If you can't outplay them, outwork them. Ben Hogan. If you can't outplay them, outwork them. For those of you that like to work out and exercise, I might have just the app for you to make money while you walk. Warren Buffett said if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Well, I guess the next best thing to that is to make money while you walk. You know what time it is. It's time for you to plug into the machine. It's the crypto machine. Johnny Diamond Hands hitting you with this step app. This is going to be the short version of this video. If you want the long version, check out the end card towards the end of this video or click in the description link below. We all exercise or we work or we move on a daily basis, so why not make our money work for us for each step we take? Enter the Step app. Now, this app and site have been in development in progress for some weeks now, and when you go to this site, all you have to do is click on the Step app and then go and click on where it says go to app, and you can sign up for it. But it wasn't working before, but now it's working. It's working, and it's hot off the press. It's working right now, and as you can see, 372,929 people have already pre-signed up for this thing. So you know it's ready to go. You know it's ready to go. It's on crypto.com. 38 cents per FitFi Step app token. So you know it's ready to go. You know it's ready to go. So, hey, look for my referral link in the description below, and you can sign up right away. Why do I say sign up right away? Because this thing launches in 5 days, 21 hours, 54 minutes, and 43 seconds. What is Step app? Step app is the first app protocol built by the Fitness Finance core team. Step is the development protocol for the FitFi Fitness Finance. Step app combines the physical fitness experience with the metaverse, utilizing geolocation technology and augmented reality. FitFi tokens are the governance tokens already on the crypto.com exchange that I just showed you, and the KCAL tokens are the in-game token that you can utilize to purchase the sneak NFTs. Shoes. Look at these shoes. What makes this platform big? You're essentially participating in an in-game economy, earning income as you play via microtransactions, stake play, tournament gaming. You can play against your friends. You can play against your family. You can join in with your friends and family and do tournaments. And they have so many different things in the light paper and in the memorandum. Come on and check it out. I'll be doing an update on the sustainability of this project in the coming weeks. I'll be also announcing this week, sometime this week, I'll be announcing the $50 BNB giveaway winner from last month. So, hey, hit that referral link in the description, sign up for the Step app, and then you can start earning tokens while you wait until launch day that you can convert into tokens that you can use to purchase these cool looking NFTs and earn money, crypto, while you walk. And so thanks everyone for tuning in. Have a good night and peace.